Learning cannot be locked down. Welcome all. Welcome to Civilians Topic Challenge. I am Arun Hubert, Assistant Professor, Department of Civil Engineering, SNIT Adur. Today, I am here to discuss about manufacturing process of concrete. Before going to our main topic, we need to know what is concrete. Concrete is a construction material composed of cement, fine aggregates, and coarse aggregates. They are mixed with water. Then the use of concrete are in a building construction. Concrete is used for the construction of foundations, columns, beams, slabs, and other load bearing elements. Next, we are going to discuss about main ingredients of concrete. The main ingredients of concrete are cement, fine aggregate, coarse aggregate, and water. Nowadays, admixture is also an ingredient of concrete. First, we are going to discuss about cement. Cement hardness when mixed with water, which binds all of the ingredients together. Portland cement is the most common cement used and is composed of alumina, silica, lime, iron, and gypsum. The second ingredient is fine aggregate, the granular material used to produce concrete or mortar. And when the particles of the granular material are so fine that they pass through a 4.75 mm sieve. Third one is coarse aggregate. Coarse aggregates are particulates that are greater than 4.75 mm. The usual range employed in between 9.5 mm and 37.5 mm in diameter. Strength of the concrete depends on coarse aggregate. The fourth main ingredient is water. The water in the concrete mix should be clean and free of impurities. The pH of the water will be in the range of 6.5 to 8. Then to our topic, manufacturing of concrete. Manufacturing of concrete mainly consists of 7 processes. First one is batching, second one is mixing, third one is transporting, fourth one is placing, fifth one is compacting, sixth one is curing, and last one is finishing. The first process is batching. Batching is the process in which the quantity or proportion of materials like cement, aggregates, water, etc. are measured on the basis of either weight or volume to prepare the concrete mix. Batching improves the workability of the concrete by reducing the segregation or bleeding in concrete. Batching is mainly classified into two. One is weight batching and second one is volume batching. If batching process is done by taking the weight, it means weight batching. If the elements are taken in the basis of its volume, it is called as volume batching. Second process is mixing. Mixing means complete blending of the materials which are required for the production of a homogeneous concrete. Mixing is done by two methods. First one is hand mixing and second one is machine mixing. Without help of the machine, we are doing the mixing by human. It is called as hand mixing. If the mixing is done with the help of machine, it is known as machine mixing. Third process is transporting. It is defined as the transferring of concrete from the mixing plant to the construction site. There are many modes of transportation. Some of them are wheelbarrows, truck mixer, bucket, chute, belt conveyor, concrete pump, etc. Fourth one is placing. Placing means placing of transported concrete in the correct place. Proper handling of concrete during placement should minimize segregation of coarse aggregates. Fifth process is compacting. The concrete should be consolidated into the forms and around reinforcing bars to eliminate trapped air and oils. Most concrete now placed is consolidated by vibration. Mainly, compaction is done by two methods. First one is hand compaction and second one is mechanical compaction. Hand compaction. Hand compaction is also known as manual compaction, which is carried out by rodding, ramming or tamping the concrete with either a bamboo or steel rod. Next one is mechanical compaction. Vibration is imparted to the concrete by mechanical means. It causes temporary liquefaction so that air bubbles come on the top and expelled ultimately. Sixth process is curing. Curing is the process of controlling the rate and extent of moisture loss from concrete during cement hydration. Now we can discuss types of curing. First type of curing is shading of concrete work. The object of shading concrete work is to prevent the evaporation of water from the surface even before setting. This is adopted mainly in case of large concrete surfaces such as road slabs. Second one is sprinkling of water. Sprinkling of water continuously on the concrete surface provides an efficient curing. Next method is ponding method. This is the best method of curing. The horizontal top surfaces of beams can also be ponded after placing the concrete. Fourth one is membrane curing. Cover the wetted concrete surface by a layer of water-proof material which is kept in contact with the concrete surface of 7 days. Next one is steam curing. Steam curing and hot water curing is sometimes adopted. With these methods of curing, the strength development of concrete is very rapid. These methods can best be used in precast concrete work. In steam curing, the temperature of steam should be restricted to a maximum of 75 degrees Celsius. The last process involved in concreting is finishing. Finishing may be defined as the process of leveling, smoothing, compacting, and otherwise treating the surface of fresh concrete or recently placed concrete to produce desired appearance. അങ്ങനെ മാനുഫാക്ചറിങ് പ്രോസസ് ഓഫ് കോൺക്രീറ്റ് എന്ന ടോപ്പിക്ക് നമ്മളിവിടെ കംപ്ലീറ്റ് ചെയ്തു. ഇനി ഇത് ഓർഡറായിട്ട് എങ്ങനെ ഓർത്തിരിക്കാം എന്നതിനെ പറ്റിയുള്ള ഒരു ടിപ്പാണ് ഞാൻ നിങ്ങളോട് പങ്കുവയ്ക്കാൻ പോകുന്നത്. ടിപ്പ് ഇങ്ങനെയാണ്: പല ബാച്ചിലുള്ള പട്ടാളക്കാരെ മിക്സ് ചെയ്തു, അവരെ ട്രാൻസ്പോർട്ട് ചെയ്ത് ഒരു പ്ലേസിൽ എത്തിച്ചു. അവർ കോമ്പാക്റ്റ് ഗണ്ണെടുത്ത് ക്യൂറിംഗ് ടാങ്കിനുള്ളിൽ ഒളിച്ച ഭീകരരെ ഫിനിഷ് ചെയ്തു. ടിപ്പ് ഒരിക്കൽ കൂടെ പറയാം: പല ബാച്ചിലുള്ള പട്ടാളക്കാരെ മിക്സ് ചെയ്തു, അവരെ ട്രാൻസ്പോർട്ട് ചെയ്ത് ഒരു പ്ലേസിൽ എത്തിച്ചു. അവർ കോമ്പാക്ട് ഗൺ എടുത്ത് ക്യൂറിംഗ് ടാങ്കിനുള്ളിൽ ഒളിച്ച ഭീകരരെ ഫിനിഷ് ചെയ്തു. S4 BTech സിവിൽ എഞ്ചിനീയറിങ്ങിലെ കൺസ്ട്രക്ഷൻ ടെക്നോളജി എന്ന സബ്ജക്റ്റിലെ ഒരു ടോപ്പിക്കാണ് നമ്മളിപ്പോൾ പഠിച്ചു കഴിഞ്ഞത്. യൂണിവേഴ്സിറ്റി എക്സാംസിന് ഇമ്പോർട്ടൻ്റ് ആയിട്ട് ചോദിച്ചു വരുന്ന ഒരു ക്വസ്റ്റ്യനാണിത്. ജൂൺ 2017 ഏപ്രിൽ 2018 ഡിസംബർ 2018 എക്സാംസിന് ഈ ടോപ്പിക്കിൽ നിന്ന് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു.